This place is legendary. They serve muyang nampung, which is grilled pork with honey. If you come here later on, it will be packed. But you can already smell the aroma of the roasted pork, which is grilling right on site. Additionally, what's really famous here is what they call the pork burger. Okay, but I'm really excited to try the fatty pork. The stall is called Me Sumonta. Sawadee Pi. Oh man, that aroma of the smoky grill pork being grilled, but then also that caramelization because it's marinated in honey. Honey grilled pork. And he's putting on a fresh batch right now, but you also smell maybe some soy sauce in the marinade, maybe some garlic. It's definitely a secret recipe that they have, and they've done it well because it's extremely popular. But he's just putting on a fresh batch now, and that's gonna slowly grill over that smoky fire. One of the things that I've noticed as he's grilling is that they keep a really low fire. It's not a raging hot fire. He really controls the heat, really controls the flame. Because, I mean, that fatty pork, if it starts juicing, if it starts grilling too fast, it will just go up in flames. It will burn, especially with the sugar, with the fat. So he really controls the heat. Doesn't try to cook it too fast. Okay, ครับขอบคุณครับ Oh, that smells so good. There's two different versions of the pork that you can order. You can order the one with fat and one of the leaner pork. So there's two different versions, and you can immediately tell that the one with the fat is just glistening, it's shining. And then the leaner one, I guess that might be the healthier option, but we decided to try both. And then additionally, what's really famous here is what they call the pork burger. It's kind of like well, in Thai it's called salapao, which is baozi, which is the Chinese steamed bun. That's the bun. And then they take some of the lean pork, they take a whole steak of the lean pork, put it directly into that fresh steamed bread. All right. Oh, that is tasty. I mean, this one is the lean pork, and it's still delicious. With the sweetness, the sugars of the honey, and the fire, that just cakes onto the edges of the pork, creates that smoky glaze that just gives it so much flavor. The bread, because it's steamed, it's so soft, it's so fluffy. You almost don't notice it's there. It's more just like a handle. Okay, but I'm really excited to try the fatty pork. Definitely want to get a piece and then just rehydrate it, rejuice it in the puddle at the bottom of the bag. Okay, with the fat, I mean, you immediately notice the fat, the juiciness of it, the richer, I mean, fat is where the flavor is. Fat just tastes good. Yeah, that's really tasty, really smoky. Again, the sweetness of the honey, and it is sweet, but it does taste really good, especially with that reaction from being grilled. But immediately as you take that bite, I'm craving sticky rice. No combination like sticky rice. Perfect combination. Oh, you can see the just a pool of juices accumulating at the bottom of the bag. It's so juicy. And then immediately chased with sticky rice. Really good. So definitely the key here is that with every single bite, you'll want to rejuice, rehydrate it in that pool of juices that accumulates at the bottom of your bag. Oh man, the juiciness.